Hello learners, this is your KP sir Krishna Prakash. I came up with a booster dose for GATE 2023 and this is also helpful for your ESE 2023. So for GATE and ESE 2023 a booster course I am coming with and it is a double bonanza. I am coming up with two courses. One is in plus where I will cover every day 2 hours till your GATE examination. February 1st to February 10th, every day 2 hours, the most important topics for GATE, which include summary as well as question practice session. So the most important topics from which subject? From all my different subjects, which include solid waste management, air pollution from environmental engineering, hydrograph from hydrology, consolidation, shear strength, bearing capacity from geotechnical engineering. Then the first chapter, which included duty, delta, base period, field capacity, permanent wilting point, irrigation efficiency from irrigation, flow through pipes, fluid properties and statics from fluid mechanics, including dimensional analysis, specific energy and hydraulic jump from open channel flow. So, which are the most expecting topics to be appeared in GATE 2023? All topics will be covered in English language. Hindi plus English, दोनों language में course चलेगा. And this will be a booster dose. At least your marks will be enhanced by 10 to 15 after attending this, which is a summary session plus question solving session related to those topics. And coming to the free class learners, every day I am coming up with a top 10 questions in individual subjects. So first I will plan for a GATE environmental science paper. So in the first week I am going to deal with top 10 questions of environmental, which starts from February 1st. Then top 10 questions of hydrology, top 10 questions of irrigation, top 10 questions of FM, top 10 questions of OCF. Then you are going to write GATE environmental paper. Then next onwards, I am going to have top 10 questions of geotechnical engineering, top 10 questions of construction management, top 10 questions of building material. Again, I repeat top 10 questions of environmental, hydrology and irrigation. So that it will make you the most important questions to be solved just before your examination. So that will boost your preparation. And this top 10 question series is in Unacademy special class or Unacademy YouTube channel. It is free for everyone. Plus class is only for plus learners. But Unacademy special class and YouTube classes are free for everyone. Any student who is preparing for GATE 2023 can attend and crack the GATE with this top 10 question series. So I hope this double bonanza series, which is a top 10 question series from special classes every day at 9:30 p.m. and important topics summary and numerical solving session in Unacademy Plus course, which is for 10 days every day at 11 a.m. So these sessions will improve your rank in GATE. I ensure at least 10 to 15 marks improvement in your regular score. And also I will discuss some tips and tricks. Also I will discuss shortcut formula to solve the most important questions. I am here to support you at any time, guys. In Unacademy, new batches are going to start. And these new batches, you are going to get 30% off on Unacademy subscription using our universal code KP-CIVIL. So new batches just started 2 days before 28th of this month. And this include GATE and ESE courses for 2024 and 2025. Do mention to your friends, juniors, whoever want to take the subscription. Let them come under the perfect guidance and best teachers in India so that they won't spoil additional 1 more years after taking from unnecessary teachers. So let them join in Unacademy only. You know how qualitatively we are teaching. We know how we are with you till you are going to write your GATE and ESE examination. Nobody will do this. So that guys, we are with you to crack your dreams of GATE and ESE and government jobs. Let make your friends and juniors to join Unacademy. And now 30% off is going to be happen. Today is the last day for 30% off. So use our universal code. Let's crack it, guys.